Another accommodation recommendation for Siargao. Perfect ito for groups. Tara, yung mga kanoos, alam nyo ba, nalaman ko? If you're planning to go to Siargao and may kasama ka, check this out. Pepito's Art Homestay Siargao is located sa General Luna. Before we go to their rooms, let's check out their amenities. Meron silang swimming pool na very IG-worthy, launch area na suwak sa IG feed mo, or pwedeng pagtambayan rin, and they have a common kitchen area. At pwede din naman mag-park ng nirent mo na motor sa labas. For their rooms, they have two types of bedroom. The first one is the poolside deluxe room which has a direct access sa pool, queen-size bed, television, and private bathroom. While the second one is the coconut view balcony room na may balcony where you can have a coconut view pag nakatambay ka dito and has two queen-size bed, television na pwede ka mag-Netflix at may private bathroom as well. They are minutes away lang sa store sa General Luna kaya strategic din kahit papano ang location nila. They also offer airport transfer, land tours, island tours, and motor rental. And they also have this current promo na for only 5,799 pesos, all-in package na ang accommodation, transfer, and tour. For their rates, ilalagay ko na lang ito sa baba for your future reference. O kita-kits na lang sa Pepito's Art Homestay sa Siargao. Let's go!